We have another storm on the way for tomorrow. So this one, the coastline just can't catch a break here, although the coastal flooding threat is not going to be as extreme. The primary impact from this storm is going to be the travel impact because of the heavy snow here. Winter storm warnings are up, winter storm watches in blue. Notice they do not include the southeast part of the state where we're anticipating mainly rain and just a brief change over to snow. 33 in Boston currently. 28 in Worcester, 29 in Manchester right now. Bit of a chilly start out there. It's a bit of a breeze too, and highs don't rebound very much. Upper 30s to low 40s. That's about it today with partly sunny skies or a few low-level clouds at the coastline, and we'll be in and out of some clouds at times today. Snow back to the west. A lot of energy. Blizzard warning still up for portions of the northern plains. Energy down to the south. Both of these going to combine into our storm center that will pass somewhere close to Nantucket as we head into tomorrow evening and night. So tomorrow morning it's just snow showers, then the bulk of the precip ramps up here with rain and snow. Obviously the most uncertain part of this forecast is still that rain-snow line, which we're going to be kind of pinpointing down here over the next 24 hours. Tomorrow morning's commute. Snow showers, but not the main event here. Just a wind coming in off the ocean with some snow showers coming in, particularly north and west of Boston. By about midday to early afternoon, that's when the snow starts to ramp up a bit. I'd say especially mid to late afternoon. Notice 6 p.m. high impact drive home tomorrow evening. Mainly rain in southeastern Massachusetts, tip of Cape Ann. Mostly snow and a heavy wet snow here, blowing and drifting across the interior. That rain snow line, you guessed it, right along Boston and 128 may briefly come to 495 and then collapses back towards the coastline tomorrow evening as colder air shifts in here. So back down to the South Shore and Cape, we will see a changeover too after being mainly rain tomorrow evening. Notice the deep blues in here. Snowfall rates 1 to 3 inches per hour in the height of this storm that will continue overnight. That rain snow line is going to wobble in eastern Massachusetts Thursday morning. The commute will still be impacted with areas of snow gradually tapering off towards mid to late morning for most of us. How much snow falls then? Well, where we mix with and change over to rain quickest, and that's where we'll see the lowest totals. It's a coating to an inch possible on the Cape, but mainly rain. 1 to 3 for parts of the South Shore, 3 to 6 in Boston, back up through the North Shore, back down through the Providence corridor. Then north and west of town from 128 to 495, it's a widespread 6 to 12 with 12 to 18, 495 north and west here for the Worcester area, stretching back up in through a lot of southern and central New Hampshire. Travel impact. Tomorrow morning's commute, little to no impact, just a snow shower, but things rapidly deteriorate as the heaviest snow and rain moves in. Thursday morning's commute will still have some impact with snow tapering off, although it will be a lighter intensity at that point. Forecast wind gusts, 35 to 50 miles per hour at the coast. We may see a few isolated gusts at top near 60 miles per hour on Cape Cod. I say 55 to 60, but I think that's isolated. Either way, that onshore wind is going to build the seas yet again 10 to 20 feet just off the coast. Storm surge 1 to 3 feet. This is the Thursday pre-dawn high tide. Comes up about 3:30 in the morning. It is a lower astronomical tide overall compared to this last storm, but minor coastal flooding is anticipated with some minor to moderate beach erosion again for that tide cycle overnight Wednesday into Thursday. Snow wraps up Thursday morning. Otherwise, it's a chilly wind, a flurry on Friday. Don't forget, we spring forward this weekend, 2 a.m. on Saturday, on Sunday, as temperatures will be in the 40s this weekend and a little bit brighter, too. Next chance of some rain and snow may come in later on Monday.